Welcome back. We discuss human in the loop or HITL for short. Now, human in the loop concept is defined in various legal principles governing AI and in particular Article 14 of the EU AI Act, right? Talks about human in the loop. So, human in the loop means a governance process in which the outputs, recommendations, or results generated by an AI system, again, I'll remove this AI tool, are subject to mandatory human review, supervision, and verification with final decision making authority. So, human being is the final decision making authority. Responsibility and accountability resting at all times with a human. This is a problem, right? So a human in the loop is usually thought of to be a foolproof way of doing things. But there is a lot of research now that exists done in last 2 years or so that tells that this human in the loop is not as effective as we thought it would be. So there is something called automation bias. Automation bias means human beings tend to agree with machine. So now let's say if I am the human in the loop, a lot of AI decisions will be thrown at me. Let's say for sake of a number, let's say 200 AI uses per day. Now I being the human in the loop is supposed to vouch for the supervision, verification and final decision making authority for these 200 AI outputs per day. Whereas all my other colleagues are simply using AI, throwing that garbage output to me to verify something that they all differently, distinct, something that they all should have verified on their own. I am supposed to take the burden of everyone's AI and verify it. This does not work. So what this human in the loop tends to do, as the research says, that this guy tends to submit, to AI outputs. Okay. So human in the loop, even though it's a concept very well designed where human is supposed to take the center role for supervision, verification, final decision making authority, but it just does not work the way it is being defined these days. And there's already a term called cognitive surrender that tries to show how this human in the loop was designed to act as a shield, but it is too much for that human in the loop to perform. So that particular human in the loop basically cognitively surrenders to the AI outputs. So whatever AI will generate, that human in the loop will say, okay, this is fine. And at some point, the system will break, but we don't have the human in the loop alone solving that problem. It has to be solved through a more holistic approach.